Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Go for the belch. Go for the belch. Go for the belch. Go for the belch. Now let me type that in there. Go for the belch. For the belch. Now, how you spell belch? B-E-A-L-C-H? B-E-A-L-C-H. Go for the belch. Y'all remember Animaniacs Wacko did was it a Christmas themed musical, and he was dressed up really nice. Thank you so much. I sent over some support for you on your channel. I'm glad I got to be a part of the live, and I'll watch more of your videos when I get a chance. Keep being you and being proud of yourself. Thank you so much. May your days continue to be bright. If you ever have been into some trouble, everything is not always entirely your fault. So know you can place the blame where it needs to go. Keep moving forward. Always be yourself, just like you told me. Every day and every minute offers something new. And we are in the time where your words make powerful changes. So I want you to have a great day. I want you to be able to get over everything that you may be stuck trying to get over mentally. No more of that. I'm here for you. You have a nice day, and thank you so very much. So what I was talking about was Animaniacs. Have you seen Animaniacs episode with, was it Wacko? There's Wacko, Yakko, and Dot. So it's Wacko. He was singing a Christmas story, well, a Christmas jingle by way of belching. And it was Jingle Bells. So when I burped, I thought of that. And it was like, ding, 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 ding. Y'all remember that? Every time that specific episode came on, I made it my official business to turn it up as loud as I could, because my mom could not stand it. So when I found out that my mother couldn't stand it, I turned it up higher, higher, higher off the ground. Who sang that song? I sure know it's a song they didn't play on Toon Disney, but it sure was a fire song. Fire. Now that was Earth, Wind, and Fire, right? Didn't Earth, Wind, and Fire make that song fire? Well, we're going to leave it at that and assume that they did. Earth, Wind, and Fire have over 1,000 songs, don't they? Earth, Wind, and Fire compilation, 1,000 songs. Is that 1,000 too many? No. Because Drake got 155,000 remixes, so what's a measly 1,000 songs from Earth, Wind, and Fire? Maybe I should start going into the remix business. Remixing books I wrote. Be like, reprise, and take out one word. Reprise number 1, reprise number 2, reprise number 3, and so on. And be like, can you spot the difference? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Don't go to the light. I'm going to the light. I just thought of another idea. I've been blessed with another idea. Cue 5 heartbeats. I feel like going on. I feel like going on. Bam! Then he got hit by the Mack truck by Big Red. Oh, why didn't you just let them go? Why didn't you just let them go, man? again.